Hello guys, and welcome. In this video, I will teach you if you're trying to use Google on your iPhone and see our systems have detected unusual traffic from your computer error. Here's how to fix it. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your profile name at the top. Select iCloud, scroll down and tap Private Relay. Make sure it's turned off. Go back to the main settings page, scroll down, and tap General, VPN and Device Management. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it. Return to the main settings page, scroll down to Apps, then select Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data, then confirm by selecting All History Clear. Open Safari, tap the three dots at the bottom right, select New tab, and you should now be able to browse the internet without seeing this error. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. For more, until next time, see you soon. Thanks for watching.